The National Weather Service's report has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Angelina County in eastern Texas. This includes the cities of Lufkin, Diboll, Nacogdoches County in eastern Texas. This includes the city of Nacogdoches, San Augustine County in eastern Texas, western Shelby County in eastern Texas. This includes the city of Center, extreme southeastern Cherokee County, southern
Dave, our news channel cam is cut off. But don't worry, everyone. We are getting brand new news in about 2 minutes. We are getting new news right now. Oh my God, that thing is huge. If you do not have a storm shelter, act now. I'm now getting reports that the tornado was bigger than we've ever seen.
The state of Connecticut, the Department of Homeland Security, and the Department of Civil Defense have ordered an immediate evacuation of the state of Connecticut. Civil authorities in the state of Connecticut have issued an immediate statewide evacuation on February 1, 2005, until further notice. At this time, you are advised to tune to a local television or radio station for more information regarding evacuation.
Rebecca, do we got any news over there? Yes, the damage is more destructive like a nuclear bomb. It is so strong. You don't even know what I was seeing. One of the biggest malls in the whole city of Greenville, Texas, it was just wiped off the foundation. Storm shelters were ripped from their hinges. This tornado was one of the strongest we've ever had.